You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Paulie here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about a mod that I made to the Feasto tabletop barbecue grill. Oh boy, now he's going to do another Feasto video. Let me tell you this, it may not pertain just to the Feasto tabletop barbecue grill. This could be helpful if you have the Rambler from Oklahoma Joe's, as well as other types of barbecue grills. That Suncrust barbecue grill I have in the Philippines could take same kind of mod. Yeah. What is this mod? Well, I'll show you. So here the Feasto is sitting before us. We're gonna look inside. The lady will kill me if she sees me in here with this. We're gonna take out these grill grates and I'm gonna set them in the sink. So you're looking at the charcoal pan, the charcoal grate, and underneath it is the ash pan. Okay. Owner's manual says that this grill may have some leakage when you cook, when you use it, right? When you cook on it. And yeah, it did at first. Not a big deal. The owner's manual says it may happen. But what I'm thinking, and I'm not sure if this is the answer, but this is a mod that I made. I took some gutter sealant and put it in the corners. And that stuff gets like cement. And why am I putting it in the corners? Because the corners are folded over and it's riveted. That's it. So I'm thinking that might help. And I know it does help to seal up the corners. And what did I use to seal up the corners? I used this gutter sealer. That stuff gets brick hard. Is it food grade safe? Probably not. But I'm not cooking on top of the ash pan. That was with this charcoal grate. And I love this mod that I made. I think it is very beneficial, not just to the Feasto, but other grills that have these kind of charcoal grates with the holes like this. Now let me get it out here and I'll show you. These handles are probably going to fall off. Okay, you see right there. Got that frame underneath there that I made. It's not pretty, but it works like a dream. And why did I do this? It's because when those things get hot, you know, you put them on there, and once it gets hot, they kind of twist. And they'll kind of stay that way. It's not really thick gauge metal. I just took a 3 foot long, and it's all there. That's 3 feet of angle iron. It's a little overzealous. It's a little thicker than I probably need, but it works. I do have a welder. I'm not a great welder, but I didn't have to cut this thing at all. I just had to score the corners, and I did have to actually cut each 4 corner. This one was a mistake, but then I just kind of spot welded it with the welder. Put these machine screws in 4 spots, screwed it on there, and I took the welder and just made it so you can't get those threads off. In other words, kind of like a Loctite using a welder, right? So, and then I cooked some hamburgers. You know, this thing stayed straight, and it's still pretty straight.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
It's not going to twist anymore. Not with that frame under there. Now with that frame, it's going to be really good. It made this Feasto better, and here's another feature that it brings. So you got these hangers. Put them back on. With this one, there's 2 levels, right? Two levels. 1, 2. If you wanted to go lower, it would be sitting on the ground. But with that frame under there, it's still above the ash pan. And so now you got 3 levels where you originally had just 2. And I'm loving the Feasto. And again, this mod, maybe both these mods, are not limited to the Feasto. When I get back to the Philippines, I might make something like this for the sun crust. Alright, I hope you all could understand my shoddy explanation of how I did this and what it's for. But yeah, I really like it. Very cool. So, rise to the Feasto Nation.